After finding Megan Boswell guilty, the jury gave her a life sentence. Megan Boswell was found guilty by a jury and given a life term with the chance of release. The trial lasted 1 week. Innocent of all charges, there were 3 first-degree murder charges against Boswell for the death of her daughter Evelyn. The jury found her guilty of all 3. Other charges against her, such as severe child abuse and aggravated child neglect, were also found to be true. A very full courtroom heard the decision. Before the jury, foreperson told the judge that Boswell was found guilty of her second first-degree murder charge. She started crying. She was first charged with 12 counts of making a fake report, but the state dropped one of them at the start of the hearing. The jury started to think about the case on Wednesday afternoon. After the last few statements, the jury deliberated for 4.5 hours, from Wednesday afternoon to Thursday morning. The judge, Jim Goodwin, sent the jury back for a short break. They then went right into a sentence hearing. The jury's job was to decide if Boswell would spend the rest of her life in jail without the chance of release based on her first-degree murder charges. Trial for sentencing starts. At the start of the punishment trial, Gene Scott, Boswell's lawyer, told the jury that he didn't agree with the decision but accepted it. Becky Boswell had been in jail since she was 18 years old, Scott told the lawyers. Scott said that if she got life in prison, she might get out when she is 60 years old. If they decide to give her a life term without the chance of pardon, Boswell will never be free. Scott said that witnesses at Boswell's punishment hearing would talk about his home life before Evelyn died, which would help them make a choice.